Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss some keyboard shortcut keys and some tricks to capture the data. So as I have logged into my system, and if I do something like history command, okay, so it will show the history of the server. But like I is Amit, I have tabbed it. If I want to go in the starting of the line, so I have to say Control A, end of the line Control E. So this is how you can switch, and if you press Control and arrow key, it will switch word by word. So this is the fastest way to move between the same command. Okay, now Control C will come out of that line, and if you do is and tab will autocorrect this thing like ATC. See, it's getting auto resolve. So tab is a very useful key. Then I will type again, hi, this is Amit. Okay, if I press Control W, so it will delete word by word. See, deleting word by word. Okay, and if I will come between here. If I press Control U, so before the cursor, whatever the thing is will get removed. Or if I press Control K, after the cursor, thing will get deleted. See, so for before Control U, for after Control K, tab, correct. Now you'll see top command. See, if you see here, top command is getting update every 3 seconds. 52, 55, 58, 61. Okay, so now it's updating, but as you keep on changing here value and this thing, you want to freeze. Control S, this window got freeze. See, if you see, time is not updating every 3 seconds now. It's got freeze. Whatever data was there, it got freeze. To unfreeze, Control Q. 1913, 29, 32, 35. This is how it's changing. If I press Control S, it's freeze. It will not get update. Control Q, up, unfreeze. Okay. Now I want to come out of this. I can press Q to come out this. Now I want to recall a command. So Control R is the search, and you type the command. Like I have typed Amit, so I got this password -s Amit I have used, so I got this. But Control R Amit, I don't want this one, I want the next one. So again I have to press Control R. Is keep on changing, keep on switching between Amit thing. So this is how you can search any command with any character. Like if I search Control R password, okay, and I press Control R, switch. So this is how you can search and execute. Now if I press Shift 11, okay, that is exclamation mark. If I run this, it will run the last executed command, which is top. Okay, and in a history, if you see, we have run password -s crash 1995. If I want to execute again, single exclamation. Okay, so single exclamation with the sequence number will execute that particular command. So what we have learned Control E for end of the line, Control A for the beginning of line, Control C to come out, Control W to delete a word, Control U delete a word before this, Control K delete after the cursor, tab to autocorrect, Q to unfreeze, S for freeze, R for search, and double exclamation for execute the same command again, and exclamation with the sequence number of a history will execute that particular command. So these are the tricks or some shortcut. Hope you like this video. Keep learning. See you next video. Till then, bye bye.